Room. Now, the Supreme Court today issued a notice to the Election Commission. This was based on the petition by the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee over the SIR process, the special intensive revision of voters list that is underway in West Bengal, and the Election Commission has been asked to reply by the 10th of February. Now, the West Bengal Chief Minister sharply criticized the Election Commission during the Supreme Court hearing over SIR, calling it a WhatsApp commission, claiming that they were receiving instructions over WhatsApp. Mamata Banerjee also attacked the EC with several charges in the Supreme Court, saying that Bengal was being targeted by the Election Commission and that the SIR process was meant to bulldoze the people of Bengal. She also alleged the Commission was responsible for mass deletions of voters' names and claimed that Bengal was being unfairly targeted.
कल हमारे पार्टी के चेयरपर्सन बोले हैं, आप देखेंगे सब कुछ मैं मीडिया के सामने जाहिर नहीं कर सकता. अगर इंटरनल स्ट्रेटजी सब आपको पब्लिकली बता दिया, जस्ट बिकॉज आई वांट टू बी इन द लाइमलाइट, दिस इज नॉट हाउ वी एक्ट और हाउ वी ऑपरेट. जब जो होगा आप देखेंगे.
Few points have been argued, and the honorable court observed that if required, more time will be given to her to argue her matters. And one observation is important, that the honorable court has said to Mamata Banerjee that two important points have been taken in the petition itself that's needed to be considered and decided. The Mamata Banerjee has argued the points. Number one, only the deletion process is going on, no inclusion process has been taken up for long 4 months. Number two, there is no power to appoint micro observer and the role observer.
जब माननीय मुख्यमंत्री ने सुप्रीम कोर्ट से गुहार लगाई कि मैं 5 मिनट बोलूंगा, उन्हें परमिशन दिया गया, लेकिन ममता बनर्जी उस 5 मिनट में पूरा पॉलिटिकल भाषण ममता बनर्जी ने दिया. इसके कारण जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ऑब्जर्वेशन है या स्टेटमेंट है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बताया कि आपका जो एडवोकेट है वो बहुत एफिशिएंट एडवोकेट है, हम उनकी बात ही सुनेंगे. ये स्टेटमेंट है सुप्रीम कोर्ट का. देखिए, इससे खराब शब्दों में एक मुख्यमंत्री को सुप्रीम कोर्ट ये नहीं बोल सकता कि आप चुप रहिए, आप ज्यादा मुंह मत खोलिए. ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ये जो स्टेटमेंट, ये जो लाइन है, मुझे लगता है कि ममता बनर्जी को सुप्रीम कोर्ट के महामहिम जस्टिस उन्होंने बहुत ही सोबर तरीके से शट अप बोला है.